EUROCOPTER Tiger. What happens when Europe decides to build an attack helicopter that can rival the American Apache and the Russian Havoc? The answer is the EUROCOPTER Tiger, a stealthy, maneuverable, and deadly machine born out of Cold War fears but perfected for modern conflicts. Today, we'll dive into its history, design, combat record, and the role it plays in NATO's future battlefield, a European joint effort. The story of the EUROCOPTER Tiger begins in the 1980s, when France and Germany realized they needed a dedicated attack helicopter to replace aging models like the Gazelle and the Bo-105. The Cold War was still in full swing, and the primary threat was the massive tank formations of the Soviet Union. Both nations decided to pool resources, a rare show of cooperation in military aviation at the time. By 1984, the Joint Development Agreement was signed and the EUROCOPTER Consortium was formed, eventually becoming Airbus helicopters. This cooperation wasn't always smooth. Cost overruns, delays, and political disagreements pushed the program forward slowly. But by the mid-1990s, the Tiger finally began taking shape. Design philosophy built for modern war. Unlike many helicopters of its generation, the EUROCOPTER Tiger was designed from the ground up with stealth, agility, and survivability in mind. Composite materials. Over 80% of the airframe is made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic, Kevlar, and titanium. This not only reduces radar signature but also makes it lighter and more resistant to damage. Crash survivability. The crew sits in armored cockpits, and the landing gear is designed to absorb crash impacts. Reduced radar and infrared signature. Engine exhausts are masked, and the slim fuselage makes it harder for radar to detect. Cockpit and avionics, a digital battlefield. Step into the Tiger's cockpit, and you'll find a highly advanced glass cockpit with multifunction displays. Tandem seating, gunner in front, pilot in the rear. Helmet-mounted display. The gun follows the pilot's head movement, allowing instant aiming. Osiris mast-mounted sight, German UHT positioned above the rotor. This system allows the Tiger to peek over hills or obstacles while staying hidden. Strix roof-mounted sight, French HAD/HT provides thermal imaging, laser designation, and long-range target acquisition. This digital system integrates with NATO's command and control network, meaning the Tiger isn't just a weapon, it's part of a larger battlefield intelligence web. Performance and maneuverability. Powered by two MTR 390 turboshaft engines, the Tiger produces 1,285 kilowatts each, giving it excellent thrust-to-weight ratio. Maximum speed, 315 kilometers per hour, 196 miles per hour. Range, around 800 kilometers without refueling. Ceiling, 13,000 feet, 4,000 meters. Thanks to its four-blade composite rotor, it's not only fast but also incredibly agile, capable of sharp banking turns and evasive maneuvers. This makes it especially useful in rugged environments like Afghanistan's mountains or Mali's deserts, where maneuverability is survival. Weapons systems, a true multi-role platform. The Tiger's flexibility comes from its multiple variants. 30mm GAT cannon, chin-mounted, high rate of fire. Rockets, Hydra or SNEB unguided rockets for close support. Anti-tank missiles, HOT, 3, Triget, Spike, and Hellfire depending on operator nation. Air-to-air missiles, Stinger or Mistral, giving it the ability to defend itself against enemy helicopters or UAVs. What makes the Tiger unique is its mission-specific variants. Tiger HEP France, escort and support. Tiger HAD France/Spain. More powerful engines, stronger armor, capable of firing Hellfires. Tiger UHT Germany, no fixed gun, optimized for long-range anti-tank warfare with Osiris mass sight. Tiger ARCH, Australia, reconnaissance and strike, customized to local needs. Operational history, proving grounds. The EUROCOPTER Tiger has been tested in real combat multiple times. Afghanistan, 2009 to 2014. French and German Tigers provided close air support for NATO troops, proving their worth in mountainous terrain. Mali, 2013, Operation Serval. French Tigers were crucial in desert warfare, engaging insurgent convoys and providing fire support. Libya, 2011 used by France in the NATO intervention, attacking armored targets and supply lines. In all these conflicts, the Tiger demonstrated versatility and resilience in harsh conditions. Challenges and controversies. Despite its success, the Tiger program has faced criticism. High costs. At $27 to $39 million per unit, it is among the most expensive attack helicopters. Delays. Initial delivery schedules were pushed back by years due to technical problems. Maintenance. Some operators, like Australia, complained about poor availability rates and eventually decided to replace the Tiger ARH with the American AH-64E Apache Guardian. These challenges highlight the difficulties of multinational defense projects. Comparisons. How does it stack up? Against the AH-64 Apache, the Apache is battle-proven with greater global presence, but the Tiger is lighter, stealthier, and more modern in design. Against the Russian Mi-28 Havoc and Ka-52 Alligator, Russian helicopters are more heavily armored, but the Tiger offers better agility and integration with NATO systems. Against the Chinese Z-10, the Tiger is more technologically advanced, especially in avionics and stealth. Future upgrades, keeping the Tiger alive. To stay relevant, Airbus Helicopters has launched the Tiger Mk3 program. New digital avionics. Advanced communications systems for network-centric warfare. Compatibility with next-generation missiles. Improved survivability and reduced maintenance needs. Deliveries of the upgraded Tiger are expected in the late 2020s, ensuring the helicopter remains a frontline NATO asset for decades to come. Cost and export market. The Tiger hasn't sold in huge numbers compared to the Apache, but it has been adopted by France, Germany, Australia, retired, replaced by Apache. Cost per unit ranges from $27 to $39 million, depending on configuration, making it one of the priciest, but also most advanced, attack helicopters in the world. A symbol of European engineering, the Eurocopter Tiger is more than just a helicopter. It's a statement of European defense independence. Born in the Cold War, tested in modern wars, and upgraded for the future, the Tiger combines stealth, agility, and firepower into one of the most advanced multi-role helicopters ever built. Whether in the mountains of Afghanistan, the deserts of Mali, or the skies of Europe, the Tiger has proven it can hunt, strike, and survive in the toughest combat environments. And with the upcoming Mk3 upgrade, this predator of the skies is set to remain a key player in 21st century warfare.